everyone, thanks for watching Learn How to Draw Hub. Today we're going to be learning how to draw Cinderella. Well, I'm really excited. Let's go try to draw her and see what we can come up with. We're going to start off by making her jawline. After that, we're going to make her hairline surrounding her face. Then on the right side, in between her hair and her face, we're going to make a circle. This will be her earring. Next, we're going to draw the rest of her hair. We're going to draw a long curved line that goes across the whole top of her head and back down to the right side. On top of this part of her hair will be her headband. Then we'll draw the rest of her hair above the headband. Next, we're going to draw a line that comes down from her earring. This will be the right side of her neck. And then we're going to draw the left side of her neck, which is much smaller. Then we're going to draw the neckline of her dress. And then we're going to draw the cuffs of her dress on each side. On the right side, her arm will be coming out of the cuff, but on the left side, you won't be able to see it very much. Now we're going to finish Cinderella's face. We're going to start with the eyes. Then we're going to draw two small curved lines above that for her eyebrows, and then we're going to draw her nose. To finish the face, we're going to draw Cinderella's lips. We're going to draw a line that continues down from the right cuff, and then we're going to draw her glove for the left arm. We're going to draw a slightly curved line in the middle of the dress for detail. And then lastly, we're going to draw one line for the right arm.